Power up your adventures with the DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000. Compact yet powerful, it seamlessly connects to the DJI Power Station to unlock extended runtime. Whether for outdoor exploration, home backup, or on-the-go charging, this expansion battery ensures you never run out of energy when it matters most. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, how to use, mounting using DJI Home app, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000 and a DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000 cable. Want to grab the DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000 from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Massive expandable capacity. The DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000 adds 2,048 watt-hours of extra power to your DJI Power Station. Its modular design lets you connect multiple units for a massive power reserve. Expansion with Power 1000. Expansion with Power 2000. High power output. Connecting an expansion battery boosts your power station with more capacity, higher output, and faster recharging. Higher output with Power 1000. Higher output with Power 2000. System safety and protection. The expansion battery incorporates safety features to protect both the user and the equipment. Stabilize voltage. Controlled power delivery. Protects circuit. Adaptable energy for all needs. The DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000 adapts to any scenario, from outdoor trips to home backup. Its versatile modular design ensures flexible energy storage, giving you reliable power whenever and wherever you need it. Home backup. Road trips and RVs. Field production and content creation. Off-grid and solar power systems. Specifications. How to use. Power off the power station and disconnect it from the outlet before connecting. Use the SDC port on the station and the upper port of the expansion battery. Press and hold the power button until the display shows EB1, confirming the battery is active. The expansion battery has a display and a battery level button. Press the button once to check the remaining charge. This makes it easy to monitor power levels and ensure enough backup capacity for your devices. Multiple batteries can be connected in sequence for greater energy storage. The Power 1000 supports up to 5 expansion batteries, and the Power 2000 supports up to 10, enabling massive reserves for demanding use. Mounting. Place the power station on top of the expansion battery for a secure setup. Use the vertical linking bracket to align with the handles and screw holes, then fasten with quick-release screws. This ensures the units stay firmly in place during use. Lead the mounting strap through the device handles and tighten it using the strap buckle. Adjust the position as needed and fasten the strap tape for extra stability. This makes the system safe to move and keeps everything properly aligned. For a fixed setup, use the L-shaped brackets to mount the units on a wall. Mark and drill screw holes, then secure the brackets with quick-release screws. This option saves floor space while keeping the power station and batteries organized. Using DJI Home app. Download and install the DJI Home app. Then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Scan the QR code or add the device manually. Complete Bluetooth pairing and connect to Wi-Fi by entering your network password. The app home screen shows Bluetooth and network status, battery levels, and port usage. From the Settings menu, you can update firmware, adjust general preferences, and manage energy limits such as recharge and discharge thresholds. Before updating, disconnect external devices and ensure the station has enough power. From the app, select Firmware Update and follow the instructions. During the update, devices may restart automatically. Do not power them off or exit the app. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your DJI Power Expansion Battery. See you in the next one.